Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you a practical Android troubleshooting path for Grok when it keeps crashing, will not load, or is not working correctly. Start on the home screen, swipe up for the app drawer, and find Grok. Press and hold the Grok icon, then locate the small App Info button near the top right of the shortcut menu. Tap App Info. At the bottom right of Grok's system page, tap Force Stop. Android displays a warning that force stopping an app may cause errors. Tap OK to confirm. This closes Grok's current process, which is useful when the app is frozen or repeatedly crashing. It does not uninstall Grok or erase your stored app data. Next, swipe upward on App Info to reveal the Usage section and tap Storage. Check the separate App, Data, Cache, and Total rows. Tap Clear Cache on the bottom right. The cache value drops to 0 bytes while the data row remains in place. Do not tap the separate Clear Data button on the bottom left for this routine troubleshooting step. Press back to return to the scrolled App Info page, then tap Mobile Data. Check that Allow Background Data Usage is enabled. On this phone, the switch is blue and on, so Grok is allowed to use data in the background. If this switch is disabled on your phone, that restriction can contribute to loading delays or missed background activity. Press back and open Battery. Android offers unrestricted, optimized, and restricted. This phone has optimized selected, which is the recommended setting for most apps. Restricted is not selected. If Grok is heavily restricted on your phone, background work may be delayed, and the app may not behave as expected. Review the current choice before changing anything. Here is the full troubleshooting path again. Open Grok App Info and use Force Stop to close a stuck process. Open Storage and use Clear Cache, leaving clear data untouched. Check mobile data and make sure background data is allowed when you need it. Open Battery and confirm Grok is not set to restricted. These steps address common Android side causes of crashing, loading, and general app problems, but they do not guarantee every server or account issue is fixed. After reviewing the settings, return to Home and open Grok normally when you are ready. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android app guides.